Welcome back to Igbo channel. So here's another video about ụlọ, okay? The different examples using house, ụlọ, ka esi ekwu ya n'Igbo. So ị na-ekwu maka house n'Igbo, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya ụlọ. Ụlọ bụ Igbo izugbe. You can also call it ụnọ. Anyị na-ekwu ụnọ, anyị bụ ndị Anambra, anyị na-ekwu ụnọ, mana Igbo izugbe bụ ụlọ. Ụlọ, but ikwukwa ụnọ, if you say ụnọ, it's also okay. So house, ụlọ or ụnọ.
Izi anyị nwere taa bụ ụlọ ọrụ, office. Ọrụ is work, so ụlọ ọrụ, office. I'm going to the office. Ana m aga ụlọ ọrụ.
Nke ọzọ anyị nwere bụ ụlọ ikpe. Ụlọ ikpe bụ court. Ụlọ ikpe, ụlọ ikpe, court. Ụlọ ikpe, court, ebe a na-ekpe ikpe. Ụlọ ikpe, court. Ụlọ ikpe, court, C-O-U-R-T, court.
Ọzọkwa anyị nwere taa bụ ụlọ ọgwụ. Ụlọ ọgwụ bụ hospital. Ụlọ ọgwụ, hospital.
Ụlọ akụ. Ụlọ akụ. Akụ means wealth. So a na-akpọ bank ụlọ akụ because that's where we deposit our money, okay? The bank is the house of money. So akụ is wealth. It's like saying house of wealth. Ụlọ akụ bụ bank. Ụlọ akụ bụ bank. Ụlọ akụ. Ụlọ akụ.
Ọzọ anyị nwekwara taa bụ ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka, church. Ụlọ ụka, church. Anyị na-aga ụlọ ụka taa. Anyị na-aga church. We are going to church today.
Yes, ụlọ ụka, church. Ọzọ anyị nwere bụ ụlọ oriri. Oriri, oriri, oriri bịam bịam n'ọnụ. Oriri, oriri, oriri bịam bịam n'ọnụ. Ụlọ olili, ụlọ oriri, oriri. Anambra ga-ekwu olili, you know. Yes, mana Igbo izugbe bụ oriri, oriri. That's eating like you're chopping food everywhere, chopping life. Ụlọ oriri. But Anambra will say olili. So a restaurant is ụlọ olili, ụlọ oriri. Anyone that you prefer to say ụlọ oriri, where you eat food, okay? Ụlọ oriri, a restaurant.
Ọzọkwa bụ ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. The house where students go and study. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ ekpere, meaning where you go to pray. Ụlọ ekpere. Ụlọ ekpere. That can be, you know, similar to church or the same thing as church, okay? Because church is ụlọ ụka. Now, a prayer house is called ụlọ ekpere because maybe it's specifically for prayer. Can also be called ụlọ ụka. But prayer house, ụlọ ekpere, because people say anyị na-eje ekpere. We are going to the prayer house. Anyị na-eje ụlọ ekpere. Ụlọ ekpere. Nke ọzọ bụkwa ụlọ mmadụ. Ụlọ mmadụ, somebody's house. Ụlọ m, my house. Ụlọ ya, her house. Ụlọ mmadụ, somebody's house.
Ụlọ mmadụ bụ somebody's house. Ụlọ m, my house. Ụlọ m, my house. Ụlọ m, my house. Ụlọ ya, her house. Ụlọ ya, her house. Ụlọ ha, their house. Ụlọ ha, their house, okay? Ụlọ m, my house. Ụlọ anyị, our house. Ụlọ anyị, our house. Our house, ụlọ anyị. Tụkwa anyị nwere ikuzi tata bụ ụlọ ndị uwe ojii. Ndị uwe ojii bụ policemen. Ụlọ ndị uwe ojii bụ police station. Ụlọ ndị uwe ojii bụ police station. A police station bụ ụlọ ndị uwe ojii. ụlọ ndị uwe ojii, police station.
Ụlọ ahịa, ụlọ ahịa, mall or supermarket. You know, ahịa is market where you buy things. So mall or supermarket, ụlọ ahịa. Kaije ụlọ ahịa. Let's go to the supermarket.
Yeah, and the reason why it's called ụlọ ahịa is because it's in a house. Normally, like in the traditional African market, it's not under a roof, okay? It's on outside, it's just on this, you know, it has a market space, a market place. But these days now, markets are built under like one roof. There's many shops in there. So now it's ụlọ ahịa because there's a house where, or like a big space where people come and they do their shopping. So ụlọ ahịa is a supermarket or a shopping mall or a shopping center. Ọzọ anyị nwere bụ ụlọ mposhi. Some people say mpochi, some people say mposi. Ụlọ mposi. Ụlọ mposi, that's a toilet where you go to do your business. Ụlọ mposi bụ toilet. Ụlọ mposi bụ toilet. Ụlọ elu. Ụlọ elu. Ụlọ elu or ụlọ elu, meaning a story building, a tall building. It's not a bungalow. Ụlọ elu is a tall building. Ụlọ elu, a tall building, story building. Ụlọ elu, you can say ụlọ elu or ụlọ elu. Remember that house bụ ụlọ or ụlọ. Okay, so I'm using that interchangeably. Ụlọ or ụlọ. So what about ụlọ? Anything obuna we say ụlọ, you can give it the name of that thing. For instance, ụlọ ewu, where you keep your goats. You can also have ụlọ nkịta, where the dog has like its own space. Ụlọ nkịta, ụlọ ewu. Ụlọ nkịta is dog house. Ụlọ ewu is goat house. So I hope you really enjoyed this video with me and teacher Dalu, and you enjoyed your time here and you learned different ways of using ụlọ na Igbo language. Ka emesịa ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.